Legoland. Let's walk.
Stop.
That's how they stopped.
Oh look, a shark.
Shark.
You want to get a video of the shark?
Video of a shark.
There it is.
There it is.
Is this guy fishing for sharks?
He's got a fish and sharks.
Look at his bait, right?
Look at his bang over there.
That's his tackle box.
Tackle box.
He's got bait.
Got a bang.
Yeah.
Did you fall? A bit
Not
there.
far. There's a shark over there.
That's a shark over there.
All the circles must be as coming or not. Remember, enjoy your trip to Legoland. Head back, enjoy your ride.
Oh, they're going to go up.
I could go off
Wanna
there.
go film that? Let's go over there and film it.
There they go.
Can you see him in the camera?
Come on.
Oh, there it is. Crazy, huh?
Crazy, huh?
Playing guitar, right?
Let's play guitar, huh?
Yeah. And what's that guy playing?
Now what's that guy playing?
Playing the trumpet?
You play the trumpet?
What are those?
Maracas.
Ah, maracas.
Maracas. Play guitar.
Feed the birds.
Toppins a bag.
How much? Toppins?
Toppins.
Toppins a bag?
Toppins a bag.
How are you feeding the birds? Oh, do you hear it?
Oh, do you hear it?
Got to keep you strong. You're going to be my favorite horse.
Wow, she's silly.
Oh, she's silly.
We went all the way over Fun Town.
Toppins a bag.
Toppins a bag.
All right. This is the VIP tour, huh? Isn't it beautiful? So cool. Look at all the pictures. I love that. Very cool in here.
cool in here.
Look at all of Renate's toys, huh?
all none of his toys.
And see all the minifigs on the wall?
Many pigs.
That is so cool, Rai Rai. Look at that, I'll go from there to there.
Yeah.
This is yellow. He's working on the machine, Rai Rai.
He's walking on a sheet.
Yep, fixing it. You see the scorpion?
Scorpion.
That's cool.
That's
You got the puppy dog?
puppy dog.
That's so cool.
You got it?
Yep. What colors? Oh, look, they're building. What are they doing?
What are you doing?
I think they're making Legos.
Mega.
We do like to see them.
We do like to see them.
All right, you can stop filming.
Thanks for watching. And remember, think of good things, okay? See you next time.